Good morning, students. I welcome you to my video lecture on note making. Note making is the compulsory question asked in your boards. It is from section A, question 2 of reading comprehension, and it carries 10 marks. For note making, you will be given a passage. You have to read the passage and make short notes on it. So let's begin. We have a specimen paper before us. Let us read and try to understand the information given in this passage. The main idea is to know the purpose of the passage. For example, this passage gives information on the preparation of maple syrup from a sugar maple tree. There are various countries which produce maple syrup. It also provides us with information about how maple syrup is made out of the sap which is obtained from the maple tree. The sap is then turned into maple syrup through the process of boiling, and then it is marketed. The passage also provides us information about the other uses of maple tree other than making maple syrup. I have tried to give you the idea of the passage. You can read the passage and try to identify key points from this passage before we move on to the next slide. A note consists of title or headings, subheadings or subpoints, and summary. To write a note, you must start by giving a suitable title or heading to the passage, and then use subheadings to describe or point out the key information given in the passage. Use short and precise sentences or phrases, as I have done. I have not made use of short forms here or abbreviations. So the title or heading for my note making is Commercial Uses of Maple Tree. For my convenience, I have divided the passage to make different headings, and I have used Roman numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 as my subheadings, and the points A, B, C following each subheadings are my subpoints. The purpose of note making is to convey the main idea or theme of each section of a long piece of writing. It helps the reader know at a glance the main points or sub-points that are being addressed. It breaks the monotony of reading long passages. After we finish making notes on the passage, we move on to the second part of the question, which is to write a summary. To write a summary, we can make use of the notes which we have already written and divide it into different paragraphs as we have done for note making. I hope this video and lecture was useful for students who find difficulty in making notes. Thank you.